Because, baby, move.
I am picking up. What are you telling me to do? Where's the flashlight? Just tell me where the flashlight was at. Oh. I'm just going to bed.
White nose?
Where am I supposed to go?
You're supposed to find 8 tape recorders.
8? Why?
Just because.
What's on the tape recorder? Looks like there's just like a rock over there. It's getting so...
At least it doesn't sound like crunching chips on the grass.
Where's the sound at? Where the dead people at? Am I supposed to just walk straight? Where the heck is that? It doesn't even look like I'm going anywhere. It looks like I passed the same thing like 100 times. Why do I have to be in the woods? Why can't I be in the house?
There's a house out here. You can find it.
Oh my god, there's a bridge. So intense.
He's recording your face.
Yeah, I know.
Now he's recording the game.
Child pornography right here. Oh, yep, not going over there.
What is that over there? Did you see it?
Cemetery.
Well, I meant the other way, the big gate. Crouch down.
Why?
I don't want to go in there. That's too weird.
Why is this so important?
Because it's going to be
because,
funny.
Your brother grabbed it. Where the dead people at? Oh my god, it's just gates. What? Oh, that's a cheat. I don't want to play this.
Why not?
Good. I don't know where I'm going.
You just have to find the tape recorders.
What? I can't find them. Have you seen them? I just walked around the whole premises. Oh my god, dead people. Why am I walking near dead people? I don't want to. What? Guess I have to. Oh, what is that?
I don't know. What is it?
Tape recorder.
Is that a tape recorder? What the fucking... Oh, what is this? Oh no, how do you pick it up?
Get closer to it. Closer.
Oh my god. You know what that means? Someone is around here.
1 of 8.
1 out of 8.
Ah! Alright. Let's keep going.
That was awesome. Actually, not very good.
It was totally worth getting slapped.
You probably didn't even know it. It probably helped my hand more than it helped your knee. What is this? Is that a mouse?
I don't know. What is that?
I'm not going over there.
Oh, why not? Go see what it is.
No, because you played this game before, so you know it's...
No, I just downloaded it.
I'm serious.
Yeah, but you see...
I watched him. He just now downloaded it. He doesn't even know anybody else. He just downloaded it. I saw him. I was watching. Just now downloaded it.
I don't want to play.
It looks like you're just going around in circles.
Can you sprint?
What is sprint?
I don't know. Can you run faster? Try pushing the stick in and see if you move faster. No? What about A, X, any of the buttons? Do any of them do anything to make you run?
Oh, maybe I need my flashlight.
Probably be a good idea to keep the flashlight on.
Why is my wallet the only thing in my purse? Whatever, I'll go get my other supplies.
What? where's the tapes at? Where the tapes at? Where's the dead people?
I don't know. Where are they? What's in there?
It's a graveyard.
Are you sure in there's just a graveyard?
Why?
I don't know. There could be something better in there. Can you go through the gate?
See, my little puppy.
Oh, maybe you're just stuck.
See, my little puppy.
Where's the flashlight? This flashlight sucks.
It doesn't look like it has very good batteries.
Then you need to find batteries.
Is my battery running out?
They might be in the grass somewhere. Really hard to see the grass.
I just walked in the circle.
Set it. Oh. Stop. Wait, what is that? What is that? Let me see. Let me see what you have there. Ooh, ice. That was clear for me. That's it. Take it back.
Oh shit! What was that?
I don't know what I just pushed. I wasn't even paying attention. You are dead. What was that?
Hey, Sandy.
I played this for 6 minutes.